Hi everyone. I'd first like to start by saying thank you so much for joining us tonight and taking some time out of your schedule to spend with us. My name's Martina and I'm going to quickly review our primary regimens. You will recognize that we take a multi-med approach. So what this means is we really don't believe that one product can do it all. So we use multiple products in each regimen to ensure that we're using the right ingredients in the right formulation and provided in the right order. Okay, it's really, really important for us that we recognize that. So the first regimen I'm going to speak to you about is called Soothe. It's appropriately named as this regimen is designed to address sensitive skin, basically. So redness, sensitivities, and so on. We start with step 1, a gentle cream wash. Step 2, a sensitive skin treatment. Step 3, a moisture replenishment cream, and then of course, as with all of our regimens, we follow up with an SPF, and our Soothe SPF is a mineral-based sunscreen with an SPF of 30. Okay, so for anyone with sensitive skin, that's the one for you. Next up, I'll quickly talk about our Unblemished regimen, which is designed to target acne. So this isn't necessarily designed for those of us that have a breakout once in a while, maybe due to some hormonal fluctuations or something sort of one-off. This is designed for acne. What we've found is that for many people with the random breakouts, just utilizing one of the other regimens will address that as our products do a deep cleanse into the pores of our skin. So not just a surface cleanse, but actually pulling stuff out from underneath and pulling the guck, if you will, out. So anyways, our Unblemished regimen designed to target acne. We start with a wonderful acne treatment sulfur wash. Step 2 is a toner. All of our regimens except for the Soothe line have a toner, and this is our clarifying toner. Step 3 is our dual intensive acne treatment, and I just want to take a moment and highlight this for you. This is just one of the many innovative products that we have. So you'll see there are 2 chambers here in one container. The reason for that is one chamber holds a carrier gel, the other chamber holds the benzoyl peroxide. Now, if these two were to be put together in one container, we'd have to use far more benzoyl peroxide, which would be harsher on your skin as it loses its efficacy as it's mixed with any other products. So by doing this and simply using one pump of each right before we go to use it, we're maintaining the greatest level of efficacy possible. Okay, next up, third regimen, one of my personal favorites, is our Reverse regimen. And this is designed to simply reverse the signs, the visible signs of sun damage. So darkness, dullness, dark marks, that sort of thing. This one's for you. So it leaves your skin with such a wonderful glowing freshness. So step 1 is our deep exfoliating wash. Step 2, another toner is the intensive brightening toner. Step 3, similar to step 3 in Unblemished, in that it's 2 products, but we put it on in one step. So we have our retinol and our vitamin C and the dual active brightening complex. So again, just a tiny bit of each in your hand right before you apply to maintain its highest level of efficacy. Step 4, of course, is a broad spectrum sunscreen, and this is an SPF of 55. All right, last but certainly not least, what some refer to as our flagship regimen. This is our Redefine regimen, designed to combat those big signs of aging. So visibly reduce the signs of wrinkles, puffiness, fine lines, and so on. So we start with step 1, our daily cleansing mask. This is a beautiful kaolin clay mask that will not leave your skin feeling like a desert afterwards, because it helps to maintain our skin's moisture barrier so it doesn't break that down. Step 2 is a pore minimizing toner. Great product. Step 3, again, 1 step, 2 containers, one's for the morning and one's for the evening. So we have which one's in which hand? A triple defense treatment for the morning. This provides a beautiful moisturizer without leaving you feeling greasy and caked on, if you will, with an SPF of 30. And then the overnight restorative cream. And easy to tell, they're both marked step 3. One has an AM, one has a PM, and the PM has the bright gray markings on the top. So although it might be overwhelming a little bit at first to think, oh my gosh, a multi-med regimen, what can I do? Everything is color coded and numbered. So as long as you can count to 3 and sometimes 4, you're in. With that, I think that's all I wanted to talk to you about this evening. And again, just a quick rundown of the regimens. We often say that all roads lead to Redefine. The reason that we don't always start with Redefine is because we really need to address these other concerns first, and then we'll move into the Redefine regimen. Anyways, with that, have a wonderful evening.